Hi guys, Nat Flores here. So, why become an Amazon seller or virtual assistant? Yun yung tanong. No? So, let's see. Based on data and statistics. So, why sell on Amazon? So, Amazon seller can enter into global. So, kung mag-open ka ng Amazon account, you're not only selling on one country, but you could also sell in other countries. So there are other countries, Australia, Canada, Mexico, and at the same time, hindi mo kailangan ng, especially kapag nasa Pilipinas ka, hindi mo kailangan ng physical presence dito sa US to sell on Amazon. No, so lalo na ngayon, di promoting Amazon Global, they are promoting, I think there's like $1 subscription for 6 months to open the Amazon account, seller account, and the best. And ako ako sa Amazon, sell ako sa Amazon. I tried dropshipping and Shopify, but the good thing on Amazon is you don't need to find a customers. Hindi mo kailangan maging magaling sa marketing, maging magaling sa traffic. The traffic is already there. No, so yun. And yung ito yung stats, no. US website monthly traffic ng Amazon is 3 billion plus. Tapos yung total sales noong 2022 was 356 billion with a B. And compare natin dun sa GDP ng Philippines, it's 404. So imagine like ilang percent yan ng buong country ng Pilipinas na yung yung Amazon sales. Tapos nung Prime Day 2023 this year, Amazon sales umabot ng 12.7 billion. That's one day, yung Prime Day nila. And ito, customer worldwide is 300 million. Yung Philippine population 2022 is 112.5 million. So more than the Philippine population yung customer. Products sold, imagine niyo yan guys, yung sold every minute is 6,500 every minute. No? So yung third party, which yung mga katulad namin na nagbebenta, we're not owned by Amazon but we sell on Amazon platform. There's like 1.5 million. So yun, kapag gusto mo maging virtual assistant, there's like 1.9 million na third-party sellers na usually nag-hire ng virtual assistant to manage their store, to run the PPC, to source products. So yun. At Amazon is top 1 shopping website, no questions. And number 2 trusted brand in the US. And ito, kung nagbebenta ka sa Amazon at baguhan ka pa lang, ay yung don't go on competitive category, which is beauty. So number 5 sila sa beauty. So that's why it's hard to compete on those kind of categories, no. So I think let's see. That's it. So yun lang. I just wanted to hop in and share with you guys why you chose Amazon, why chose Amazon to sell your product, or why chose Amazon to become a virtual assistant, kasi ganun yung statistics ng Amazon. No. So yun, kapag may tanong kayo about Amazon, ask lang, comment or ask DM. See ya!